Today we have the 2016 Skoda Yeti Outdoor. This vehicle has done just under 78,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have RTP, navigation, TMC and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side, and just below we have our off-road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather brown and black contrast interior.